Today we're making one of the simplest and tastiest recipes for preparing octopus in its own water. Make this recipe with me because despite its simplicity and the few ingredients, it turns out to be a fabulous dish. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to clean the octopus. This step should be done under running water. So I'm emptying the head. I turn it over. I remove the beak simply by inserting it into the hole. Here it is. Index finger. After that, I take the scissors. And by cutting behind the cartilage, I remove the eyes. Then I bring the octopus to the cutting board, detach the head and split it in half. Then I separate the tentacles. I cut the head into 4 pieces. And I rinse everything well under running water. Okay, now after washing them again, I cut the cherry tomatoes in half. I put them in a pan. By the way, just a reminder that my 2 cookbooks can only be found on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano Libro Reset and you'll get them in at most 2 days. Then I chop a little bit of onion. I cut a clove of garlic in half. I remove the germ. I chop it. Then I cut a bit of chili pepper. I put everything in the pan. I add the octopus. I put it on the stove. I add the parsley stems, the extra virgin olive oil. I give it a good stir. No salt. Maybe only if needed at the end. After that, I cover it with a lid and cook on medium heat for at least 30 minutes perfect. Half an hour has passed. I give it a stir. Then I turn off the heat and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Here it is, still steaming. Now I add a bit of parsley. I give it a good stir and I plate it directly onto the bruschetta. I add a bit of the sauce, a drizzle of oil. And look at how amazing this is. Let's see. Oh my, it's fabulous. As you saw, I didn't add any salt. And there's no need for it, so keep that in mind. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you bon appetit.